Hi, it's Dave Roberts with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, and here is a good example of a premium pre-owned coach that we specialize here in at Johnson RV. So this one is a leisure travel, and this one is their Split King. So this is stock number 24135, and this one's beautiful white with the gold accents, and you notice very little seams on this coach. They do a great job with designing their coaches that way. And of course, this one has the most cubic feet of storage of any of the leisure travels, and this one goes all the way through to the other side. So quick look at the outside. Of course, fiberglass cap on the back, and another storage area back here. And let's take a look at the inside and see what it looks like. This is actually one of my favorite floor plans, if I didn't already say that. So you have this little dining area up here. So as you walk in the door, of course, the table goes there. Those chairs swivel around, and then you have the little corner kitchen action happening. And then this is your pull-out TV here, kind of cool. Big refrigerator. And then I love when they split the bathroom up like this. So you have a bathroom here, and so you have beautiful bathroom here, and then across from that is the shower. So it's a nice size shower, and a skylight above that as well. And then beautiful cabinetry and woodwork, and then of course the Split King. You can pull that out, and this becomes one big king bed. And I love the windows there when you're laying in bed at night. So, and of course, television back here. So, the RV for you, let me know. My name is Dave Roberts, and I'm at Johnson RV. I'll be happy to help you out. And we have many others that, because we specialize in premium pre-owned. So, let me know, and have a great day.